So after installing the lower door trim on my Kawasaki Ridge, I want to do a little water test to see how much water comes out when you pour it on the floor. Let's try it out. Here we have a bucket of water. Let's see what happens when we pour it on the floor, how much water actually runs out. Looks like it's coming from not the trim so much, but the actual floor. They must have drainage in there. Let's try the other side. So I did not pour water in the other side yet. So obviously there are drain holes where it's coming out of. Let's try it now. Let's see here. There's the bucket. Pour it in. There's very little coming out from the actual door trim area. It's all coming out from the bottom. So there must be, like I said before, drainage built into the floor. So there you go. I'm sure that's going to help tremendously with the warm summer days and the dust inside the ridge. Hope this helps y'all. See ya. Bye.